This gave us a total reboot opportunity, and we were able to rebuild the business almost completely from scratch, but with all this knowledge that we had gained over the last 3 or 4 years with that kind of deep analyzation of the business. Hello, this is Garrison. I'm co-owner of the Hop Ice Cream with my wife, Ashley. So when the virus hit, we were struggling to stay open for the first few days. Didn't really realize the impact that it would have on the business. It was pretty much the hop existed one day and the next day it did not. One of the first things that we were able to do to get some life back into the business was curbside pickup out of our production facility. So when the virus hit, we had all of these pints that were pre-packaged, and we started to brainstorm what we could do with those. And we created originally an event page on Facebook that would have been like a one-time sale where we had all these pints, and I listed all the flavors that were available on the Facebook event page, and I did all the orders through Facebook Messenger. Asheville Strong had come on right at the beginning of the virus as a resource for people in the food service industry and businesses in the food service industry, or just local businesses in Asheville in general. And I know Catherine Campbell, one of the founders of Asheville Strong, through going to school at UNCA Asheville and just social media. You know, Asheville's that kind of place where you just get to know people. And so I reached out to Catherine and I was like, hey, what do you think about Asheville Strong and hop collaborating some way? And we settled on the idea of doing a featured flavor that was prepackaged into pints for our online store sales and curbside pickup at the creamery. So we are making ice cream almost every day at this point. We're making lots of great flavors. We're doing lots of collaborations like we've always done. And we are excited about the kind of ice cream that we're putting out there, more so now than I feel like we were even prior to the virus.